आपने प्रॉमिस किया था लोगों से जब इंडिया अगेंस्ट करप्शन था, तो उनका सवाल ये है कि क्या आपने ये कहा था कि ये गुंडों को वोट देना है तो दो, लेकिन मोदी के खिलाफ देना? सो इज योर एजेंडा एंटी मोदी?
नाविका जी, हमने कहा मोदी के खिलाफ वोट दो, और इसीलिए कहा क्योंकि आज वो किसानों को सड़कों पे लेके आ गए हैं।
तो ये आपको पहले पता था? ये आपको पहले ही पता था?
आंखें बंद करके गुंडों को वोट दो,
यही सरकार का एजेंडा है।
ओके, the fact that the Aam Aadmi Party's manifesto in 2017 for Punjab had this private participation in mandis, you know, why would they turn around their entire position, tear up laws, if not to get some sort of a political mileage out of this?
Navika, I hope I won't be interrupted. I was listening very patiently to Ms. Atishi Marlena. You know, you've actually hit the nail on the head. You know, you cannot wake a person who's pretending to be asleep. The same Aam Aadmi Party wanted the APC to be amended, private players to come in Punjab, and now they're tearing up the same laws, essentially, which give the same thing. But you know, this is over and above what I'm going to tell right now. Now, one second, your own manifesto, can you please not interrupt now? Can you please not interrupt? Because the same Aam Aadmi Party's Atishi Marlena, who said that she fights for against corruption, she wants honesty in politics, honest people to come in politics. Navika, with your permission, I am going to play a clip of the same Atishi Marlena, who said कि आंखें बंद करके गुंडों को वोट करो. Here it is.
For example, यूपी में आज या कल में पोलिंग का
Anand, I thought you were going to be responding on what is it that the government is saying about the farm law.
Now, one second. Don't be scared. Don't interrupt.
No, play as many clips as you want, but
Don't be scared, Atishi. Don't be scared.
Why is it that you don't
Have the now listen, Navika, can you please mute her, because the nation needs to know the truth about these hypocrites. Please mute her out.
Please play as many
Please mute the fusion of Marx and Lenin.
Please also answer the question.
Now,
I
will you
will
stop?
ask him that
I know
question.
you're rattled. I know
will
you don't
ask.
want the nation to hear the truth.
Please tell me.
Navika, please mute her out.
Please tell me why the central government.
Navika, how can I play the clip when she's constantly interrupting?
He's trying
She's so
to say
scared.
something. Allow him, Atishi ji. Atishi ji,
Yeah.
allow him.
You have to keep the focus.
Yeah.
He can discuss me and my politics till kingdom come, but let him first.
Navika, you'd have to mute her because they're not going to learn. These are anarchists.
Just answer the question.
Please mute her out.
Why is it? Please tell me, Navika. Why
This is not people's court, Atishi. Have the courage and gumption to hear the truth.
When the farmers.
Your hypocrisy is about to be exposed.
Why is
You're anti-corruption crusader and voting for honest people in politics. Here it is. Navika, I'm going to continue to play this.
Why is it that there are limit has
बीएसपी की कोalition हरा सकती है और कोई नहीं हरा सकता. So if we were UP voters, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए था? हमें अपना वोट जाके एसपी बीएसपी के गठबंधन को देना चाहिए, चाहे उनका जैसा भी कैंडिडेट. हमारे एक जानकार है, वहाँ पे उनसे बात हो रही थी, तो कहते हैं जी हमारे इलाके का कैंडिडेट गुंडा है. मैं क्या करूँ? ऐसे नबी आंख बंद करके कोalition को डाल के वोट जाके वोट डाला. Because this is
I don't know whether the clip that you're playing is something that is genuine or not. I will allow Atishi to respond.
Ask her to deny it.
Well, Atishi ji, the point that he's trying to make in this whole case is the hypocrisy of political parties, especially the Aam Aadmi Party.
Navika ji, let's be very clear. Anand Ranganathan does not have a single thing to say in defense of these farm bills, which is why he's pulling out so-called clips from here
Atishi,
and
did you
there.
say आंख बंद करके गुंडों को वोट करो or not?
Please tell
The
me,
nation
Anand
wants to know.
Anand Ranganathan,
Did you
the nation wants
say
to know why
आंखें बंद
20
करके गुंडों को
farmers
वोट
are
करो?
dying. Please tell me.
Do you have the guts to say yes or no? Don't be scared.
Why is it, Anand? Why
Don't let your inner Naxal come out. Come on. Have a heart. You're a politician. A common Aam Aadmi is asking you a question. Have the guts to answer it, Atishi. Itna mat daro. You are in political life.
All right. I'm coming in, and I'm going to ask both Atishi and Dr. Anand Ranganathan one question each. And I want to ask you, Atishi, 1 minute. I want to ask you, Atishi, he's made a charge that आपने कहा जो quality of politics आम आदमी पार्टी लाती है उसको आपने एक मूवमेंट बनाने की आपने प्रॉमिस किया था लोगों से जब इंडिया अगेंस्ट करप्शन था। तो उनका सवाल ये है कि क्या आपने ये कहा था कि ये गुंडों को वोट देना है तो दो, लेकिन मोदी के खिलाफ देना। सो इज योर एजेंडा एंटी मोदी?
नाविका जी, हमने कहा मोदी के खिलाफ वोट दो, और इसीलिए कहा क्योंकि आज वो किसानों को सड़कों पे लेके आ गए हैं।
तो ये आपको पहले पता था? ये आपको पहले ही पता था?
आंखें बंद करके गुंडों को वोट दो।
यही सरकार का एजेंडा है।
Have some shame.
Okay. So Dr. Anand Ranganathan, she has clarified that they doubted the intentions of Modi, which is why she said what she said. Now you respond to her when she says, do you have nothing to say about the farmers and their situation, their hardship? Respond. Do you actually support these farm laws or not?
Navika, of course I support these farm laws because they are pro-farmer.
Comfort of his home.
We have seen what happened to India post 1991 liberalization. This is a fight, this is a battle between these anarchists and communists and champagne socialists versus logic, reasoning and ethical and moral capitalism. These guys, people like Atishi Marlena, have the choice to buy and sell whatever they want. They want to restrict farmers to have this choice.
That's the whole point. अगर गोभी 1 रुपए में बिक रही है तो गोभी 1 रुपए पर उसमें तो कोई MSP भी नहीं है, तो गोभी का एग्जाम्पल क्यों दे रहे हैं डॉक्टर सुधांशु त्रिवेदी?